Today's Bible verse comes from Hebrews chapter 12, verse 1, King James Version. Wherefore, seeing we also are compassed about with so great a cloud of witnesses, let us lay aside every weight and the sin which doth so easily beset us, and let us run with patience the race that is set before us. Hebrews 12:1 encourages believers to lay aside anything that hinders their spiritual progress and to run the race of faith with endurance, focusing on Jesus. It uses the analogy of a race, urging believers to remove distractions, every weight and sins that easily ensnare them, so they can run with perseverance towards their spiritual goals. Here's the key points from Hebrews 12:1. Number 1, surrounded by witnesses. The verse begins by highlighting the examples of faith from Hebrews 11, suggesting a cloud of witnesses who have gone before us. Number 2, lay aside every weight. This refers to anything that slows down a believer's progress in their faith journey. Number 3, the sin that easily ensnares. This specifically points to sins that readily trip up believers and hinder their relationship with God. Number 4, run with endurance. Believers are called to persevere in their faith, not give up when faced with challenges. Number 5, the race that is set before us. This emphasizes that each believer has a unique path and purpose in their faith journey. Amen.